It is done. In the very near future, the unitary patent will make it much easier to apply for a patent which will automatically have uniform validity in almost all EU countries. However, the biggest and most important difference between this and the previous European patent system is a unification of the patent litigation court proceedings for all member states covering up to 350 million people. This will take place via the new Unified Patent Court, or UPC. The UPC will have binding jurisdiction over all disputes concerning European unitary patents and European patents, meaning that what the UPC decides is valid all across Europe without further national proceedings being necessary. This creates unprecedented reach across national borders and more legal certainty thanks to harmonized case law. But despite the new wide reach, almost everything will remain the same for lawsuits in Germany. The proceedings will continue to take place at the usual locations in Germany. Germany, as Europe's most important venue for patent infringement proceedings, will be the only member state with more than one UPC local division, one at each of its current hotspots for patent litigation: Düsseldorf, Mannheim, Munich, and Hamburg. The judicial panels of the local courts in Germany will be composed of 2 experienced legal judges from Germany, 1 legal judge from another contracting state, and 1 technical judge. In addition to the local divisions, there will be UPC central divisions, dealing mostly with the rather rare cases of isolated invalidity actions. The UPC's Court of Appeal will have its seat in Luxembourg. During a transitional period, both the UPC and the national courts will have parallel jurisdiction for all previous European patents. If you're asking yourself, what if I'm not sure I want to join the new system? What are my options? For this, the UPC will provide the option to opt out of the new system during the transition period. This is where holders of a European patent may opt out from the Unified Patent Court having exclusive jurisdiction for their patent. The opt-out must be submitted as a declaration to the Unified Patent Court, but can also be withdrawn afterwards by so-called opting in. To be clear, there is no opt-out possible for unitary patents or for European patents that are involved in UPC litigation. This means that once you are in the system, you stay in, with no opt-out being possible. Thus, patent holders should make up their mind before the UPC becomes operational. So, when will the new EU patent law come into force? After the delayed start, preparations are now in full swing. In the phase of provisional application currently underway, the necessary structures of the UPC are being created. In February 2023, Germany completed ratification as the last missing step, triggering the start of the UPC. In parallel, due to Brexit, the UPC's pharma section, originally intended for London, is being reallocated. However, this process will not cause any delays. After ratification by Germany and the expiry of the sunrise period enabling the users to finalize their preparations, the start date for the UPC is June 1st, 2023. For answers to these and many other questions, we recommend you visit the blog on our website regularly. This way, you will always stay up to date and will find out in good time when the new EU patent law enters into force. By the way, you can also find our film about the unitary patent here. Among other things, it shows you what differences there are specifically to the European patent.